Back here at the arena in San Juan, we look at this Eulalio put away. And then this error. Oh, sorry, this was the off-speed attack from Ella De Jesus earlier.
And Baniel just falling to the floor.
But the lead is with FEU 16-11.
All right, Ateneo has to make their move right now.
Yep.
Nakita natin in the previous set when they had FEU up by 5-6 points. Nahihirapan na silang makahabol, ano? But right now, if they are gonna make a run, it has to be now.
The fans of FEU behind us have come alive now, cheering on the best setter of the league, Giselle C. Oh! See, I was just saying, nawalan ng sting yung palo nitong Ateneo. Herbacio with two. Kanina down the line, ito naman, cross court.
From both ends.
Oh.
Again, spitting the block. Great play from Herbacio. We always knew that she had the power in those spikes. Delivering once more for Ateneo.
Bea Tan now in for the rookie. Basas, Tan, sends it to the net. That's misreception. Medyo malamig.
That's right. And Ferrer was coming from way back, so talagang hindi niya maaabutan yung bola. Wasn't able to keep that ball in play. Another factor that we haven't touched on, Boom, is the fatigue factor.
For sure.
Yung quality kasi ng exchanges and the length of the exchanges has been exceptional for this match.
Ateneo's 3-game winning streak in trouble here. Basas. Nakachi. Ferrer. Back to Herbacio. Been delivering. Nakachi puts that away. Dangerous times now for FEU. The lead is reduced to 3.
Couple of drop shots. Nakachi with that point.
Ella De Jesus. 13 serving, 17. Great setup by... You see how, yun yung tinatawag nila sa mga libero, dinala yung bola kay Giselle C.
Hinatid.
Oo, yun o.
Exactly.
Wala nang ginawa si Giselle kundi mag-set.
That's right. Agno has been doing a great job with the reception.
Ooh! And that's the difference, my friends, between good reception and bad reception.
Yeah, clear case right there.
6-point lead.
Timeout, Lady Eagles. Score, Ateneo, 13. FEU, 19.
Siban nyo lang maigi ha. Pag pumalo dito, kunin nyo yung cross court. Masyado tayong maraming palong naaaksaya dito sa kabila rito eh. Kaya yung nandito sa gilid dito, yung nasa zone 1, abangan nyo rin yung polang pumupunta dito sa labas, hindi lang yung polang papaluin ng diretso sa zone 1. Lumakas yung loob ng kalaban ninyo eh. Tapos tayo naduduwag eh.
Wow.
He has abandoned the angry timeout in this one because he feels like he said everything that he could say.
Right. And now what he said was he wants to extend the floor. No, sabi niya, don't expect na yung mga bola didiretso sa inyo into the court. Yung mga pa-check ball, habulin nyo na rin. Kasi mukhang ganun ang ginagawa ng opensa ng FEU.
Oh, a rare time that Agno could not get to a ball.
Right.
Herbacio is keeping them afloat here in this set.
Only Herbacio. Tenglet has been quiet. Valdez even more.
Nabas na nga. Herbacio did not go for the jump. Vargas tips it. Coverage was there. They open up to Tenglet. Oh!
Speed shot.
Nice play from Phil.
It's still a 4-point lead.
Able to spot again. That's been the Waterloo of this FEU defense.
Oh, look at that. Herbacio scoring from the service too. The Batangueña abandoning the jump serve for the safe serve and gets himself a point against the best, bigger
I'm
ng
out.
bola na hindi walang kwenta-kwenta. Isipin muna natin ng maayos. Ha? Din. Mga agad lapit sa bola. Ha? Bro, tingnan mo yung drop ball. Di ba pag bukong ng gano'n, dapat ginawa mo. Di ba? Sige, isip lang sa ginagawa. Ha? Pag-focus lang kayo sa ginagawa nyo. Ha? Pag nagbabalikan, tingnan nyo kung ano dapat. Kung saan kayo dapat pumwesto, saan kayo makikinabangan ng pwesto. Ha?
The Bulacan native, Coach Nes Ponelar. Calm timeout just to relax the girls
Oo nga, tama.
and to halt momentum of Ateneo.
That's true. Reminding them that we just lost 2 points. Sabi nga niya, walang kakwenta-kwenta. Yep.
Service.
Cheap points, they
That's
call it. Giselle and Vargas. Nobody home. Nobody home.
Vargas. Corner pocket.
I just cringe every time this girl approaches to si Vargas. You know she's gonna hit it hard. Right into that zone.
Not the best of forms, but boy, probably the most powerful this year
Mhm.
in just terms of velocity.
Nice set from Jem.
Oh, Vargas was there. Kay Lep, napatingin pa sa bench.
Again.
Is that in? It is. So the 2 cheap points that they gave away, Vargas took right back.
And FU just came at a different level today. Or after that second set.
That
third
confidence really has turned around.
Daniel.
3-3. Majorie Rojas went down, and it was all downhill from there for the Ateneans.
set.
But Vargas 3 straight points.
22.
9 points this set for Vargas. He had a 5-point run earlier, now a 4-point run. Total for this set is 9 points for Vargas.
What a move by Coach Roger now. He rests Jem Ferrer
Yes.
for Faustino.
Service.
Natasha Faustino.
Again, brilliant coaching. Probably expecting this set to go, or this match to go to a 5th.
Pahinga na niya. Minsan just to give you a different perspective of
Yes.
what's
happening.
Yeah. Vargas again.
Yung reaction ng crowd talaga,
Heady play by Giselle C.
Score for the ladies.
23-16, and the bench of Ateneo is in shock. 2 sets to love lead, and a knee injury. Majorie Rojas, of all things, becomes the turning point of the game. Eerily similar to the match against UST.
3 points for Ateneo.
And now,
Substitution.
Coach Nes
FEU.
sends in Abitan
Abitan.
for Banyel.
All right, probably for defense because
Inakachi to serve.
Abitan fresh legs.
Vargas again. Vargas again. Faustino. Up to Kainglep. Vargas with a tip.
Whoa!
Oh boy. She is not the second best scorer of the tournament for nothing.
Set point advantage.
Sabi kasi ni Doc Field, puro daw akong palo.
Ayan
Yan.
na.
Laglag naman.
And Faustino, of course, will have a hard time catching up, dahil she's just put in for the first time, so hindi pa nag-iinit ng gusto for those timing,
Correct.
for those blocks.
Back set. Kainglep gets it through.
Through the block.
No room for error, obviously, for Ateneo here.
That's right, Phil Kainlet getting that point. The sad part about it is that now she's in the back row.
And no Eliza Valdez,
Oo, to serve.
which is yung ka-diagonal niya sa rotation. That's off the block. And we are going into a 5th set. Final 4 hopes for FEU still alive. The most in the women's division, 16 appearances in Final 4. They want to make it 17. Ateneo has never had the twice-to-beat advantage in the Final 4 format. They're number 2 at 9-2, but they're in trouble here as we go to that fifth and deciding set. Back in a moment.